coming out of Tullamore now. We've just been to KC's. We've picked up a Radiator Guard, which I had on order. But I'm going to take it back and do a video of the unboxing and the fitting. Hello and welcome back to the channel. So we've been over to Tullamore, we've been to see KC motorcycles, and we've come back with this. So this is the rngracing.com Radiator Guard. So hopefully now this is going to be fitted today and it'll stop any stone chips or anything else. So without further ado, let's open the package, let's read the instructions, and I'll get back to you in a little while. We'll just see how it goes, but this is definitely going to be, don't try this at home. Okay, let's get on with it. So we've put the sponge, I don't know what you'd call it, stop it from rattling against the original. We've put them on there, one there, one there, one at the bottom, two sides. Now all I've got to do is figure out how to get this to sit in there or on there somehow. We'll get there. I don't particularly think that the instructions are going to help. So I'll try and get this done in a way that you can actually see what I'm doing, even though I don't actually know what I'm doing. This thing, oh, that's out, so that's it. If I've done it wrong, I've definitely done it wrong now. So, anybody know what I'm supposed to do with that now? I broke it. Okay, of course it's not broke, but that's the rubber grommet that sits in there. In for a penny and all that. That's one. That's two. Thank God they didn't break. Okay, run the other side. Okay, I have to move you. So that is two. Don't forget guys, this is how not to do it. So let's try and thread this through. So that's back in, and a little bit is holding that in, as well as 2 cable ties, which is pretty good. And then the same on this side, we've got that's back in, and the bend is holding the rad guard in and the 2 cable ties. So thank the Lord that we've done. Took a lot longer than I was expecting. So you've seen the whole process, R&G. It did say on the box that it did fit this particular machine, but you saw the trouble we had. No decent instructions. It was talking about taking this cover off and taking the seats off and everything else. So obviously that didn't work, but with a little bit of perseverance and patience, and we've got there. Anyway, that's the radiator guard fitted. I did say if you've got a bike without one, put one on, or get some other idiot to put it on for you. It's obviously not as easy as it looks. According to the timer on the camera, that's just took 40 minutes. So we're going to leave it at that. Hopefully it's give you a little bit of an insight into putting one on, whether you do it yourself, get somebody else. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the channel. Thanks very much for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll speak to you again soon. All right, good luck.